going on, guys? It's RdnRacing. Welcome back to another YouTube video. Now guys, before this, you guys saw me unboxing the Aventador for Mini GT. Today we've got another Malaysian Diecast Expo exclusive, and this is from RdnRacing. Now this, guys, you guys have already seen this. This is a Nissan Skyline GTR R34 Z-Tune in full carbon fiber, guys. And when I mean full, literally everything is covered in carbon fiber, and I think that's what makes this car very amazingly unique, and it's a piece that's definitely worth having in a collection. Obviously in the box there isn't anything else. It just says Malaysian Diecast Expo 2023 event edition. On the base, obviously we've got a bunch of warnings, I believe, the logo, the Nissan licensed product sticker as well. And you know what's my most favorite thing about the box? When you unbox, it almost gives you the unboxing an iPhone kind of vibe, which I think is very nicely done. It's a very little thing, right? But it's very nicely done. And then once we open the box, we are greeted with the car itself. Obviously, you guys can see the car. But before we get into the car, it comes with this, obviously, the box, right? So this says Nissan Skyline GTR 34 Z-Tune full carbon, as you guys can see. And this, the amazing part, it opens up to show you the car. So we'll get back to the car in a bit. Because I think this car is amazingly done. So obviously we got the normal piece, right? There's also a chase piece that comes in green, which is obviously way more interesting. I actually bought a couple of pieces hoping to get a chase. Unfortunately, I could not get the chase for myself, so we are stuck with this, but I'm not going to complain. So obviously we've got a box. I'm going to try to see what I want to do with the box, how I'm going to display this, because I think I might just display this just like this, because I think everything about this is just display material, right? So that's for another time. For now, we're gonna dive right straight into the vehicle, but before that, I want to show you the box. So obviously you guys saw the exterior box, might I say, and then it comes with another kind of like plastic protective piece here, right? And this has an amazing artwork at the rear. Obviously you've got the Inno Models website right there, and the R34 very nicely done artwork right there. And then obviously at the rear over here, it says Malaysia Diecast Expo 2023. It says event edition right here, and there's nothing much. So we're gonna dive right straight into the car itself. And wow, this car is really amazing, guys. So we're gonna open it up. I'm gonna show you guys the base of it first, and then from there we're gonna actually, as you guys know in the channel, we like to remove the base just to have a rough overview of the entire vehicle. So before we do that, I just want to show you, so over here, just in case you guys forgot what car this is the Malaysian Diecast Expo 2023 event edition car, the regular piece, not the chase, just take note of that. Obviously you've got Inno's logo right there, and in the front over here it says Nissan Skyline GTR R34 Z-Tune full carbon with the GTR logo. And what we are, as usual, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna quickly unscrew this, get the base out of here, and there you have it, guys. The R34 Z-Tune in this amazing carbon fiber finish. I do not know if the camera is doing any justice to the carbon fiber finish, but damn, this looks insanely well done. I think this is amazing. So unfortunately, I might add that there isn't anything for me to talk about because there isn't any details, there isn't any decals. But I hope you can really see the carbon fiber bits on this car. And when I mean bits, I mean the entire vehicle, because the entirety of this car is covered in carbon fiber, right? The wheels do not spin amazingly well. They are kind of stiff, which, I mean, I guess it kind of makes sense because this is more of a display car than a toy car for you to play with, right? We've got this amazing 5-spoke bronze rims, and the front and the rear. Obviously we've got this amazing side mirrors, and side mirrors are actually plastic side mirrors, so they are sturdy, but you always got to be careful with side mirrors, right? And if you move on to the front of the vehicle, here's where there is a little bit of interesting details, I might say. Obviously we've got the front headlights, right? Those are plastic headlight temples. We've got the GTR emblem right there. We've got Nismo written on the intercooler in the front, which I think is very nice. That little detail over there makes this magnificent and totally worth collecting. Obviously the interior is fully black as well, you guys can see. And obviously we've got the indicator of the side reflective lights, I believe on the left side of the vehicle, exactly the same. I really hope the camera is doing justice to the carbon fiber bit. I hope you guys can see it, Let me know in the comments. Obviously, I will not be able to see the footage until much later when I edit, but I really hope you guys can see. And look at that, the 5-spoke rims, right? And guys, I just want to show you something. Let me just see if you guys can see. Look at the brake caliper right there. That little detail on both sides, on the front and the rear, is what makes this car really amazing and unique. Obviously, both sides have it. Very nicely done. That little detail there really makes this car that much more worth collecting. The little brake caliper right there. And obviously, if you look at the rear, we've got this aftermarket, huge, massive aftermarket exhaust. We've got Z-Tune written on the back license plate right there. And then obviously we've got the Nissan logo and the GTI emblem right here as well. The iconic circular headlights, or tail lights, I apologize. And a very nicely shaped, decently sized spoiler right here. All in all, I think it's an amazing car. Before we end off, we're going to look at the base. Obviously the base is well done. We've got the logo right there. A very detailed base over here. And obviously the entire exhaust system painted in silver. You've got over here, it says Nissan Skyline GTR R34 as well, made in China. Obviously nothing much here, but very nice and very nicely detailed base, I must add. And all in all, and one more thing before we end off, look at that blue hue at the end, just to signify a hot exhaust tip, which I think is very nice attention to detail. So with the brake pads and the the muffler and everything, I think this is a very well done car. Let me know in the comments below if you guys agree. If you guys don't, let me know in the comments if you guys managed to get one for yourselves, or if you got the chase piece, because that would be amazing. But just like guys, we are gonna do a few rolling shots, and I'll see you at the end. And just like guys, we've come to the end of the video. I hope you guys had an amazing time. I sure had an amazing time unboxing this R34. It is going to go instantly in my collection. So you guys know I took it out. I should put it back in, and I also put it back inside this plastic little protective piece right here, this casing, to be honest. Because when I display it this way, you guys can see the Malaysia Diecast Expo logo at the rear, which I think is a very nice detail. It tells you where this car is from, where I got this from. So you also remember it came with the box, right? What I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place it right on top, just like this, and I think this is gonna go in like an insanely amazing display piece, right? Just I think this is how I'm gonna display it. However, the problem arises when I do not know where to display it, guys. Check it out. I am in a full-on confusion right now. I don't know where to display it. I'm thinking I'll probably move the sensor chase. I'll put this on top of the Countach, and yeah, I'll have to place the chase piece somewhere else. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have any suggestions on how I can display it, or how should I display it, or where can I put it. I mean, you guys know my collection. You guys are not new. This has been here for a couple of months now. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Let me also know in the comments if you guys enjoyed this video. Obviously, your feedback means a lot. Recently, we've had a lot of growth in the channel, and I've had a lot of fun meeting a lot of you guys. So let me know in the comments what you guys think. But just like that, guys, this video is over. I hope you guys had fun, and I'm out. Peace.